One day, Benny the bear found a basket of apples. One bright morning, Benny the bear woke up with a big smile. He sniffed the air and said, "Benny, something smells sweet and yummy." Benny followed the sweet smell, and guess what he found? A big, beautiful basket full of red apples. Benny, excited, "Wow, so many apples, but who do they belong to?" Benny didn't know who left the apples. Should he take one? Should he wait? What do you think Benny should do? Benny sees his friends, a rabbit, a squirrel, and a bird, looking hungry. Benny, smiling, "I have an idea. I'll share these apples with my friends." Benny shared the apples, and everyone was happy, because sharing makes the world a better place. Sharing is the best. Want to hear more of Benny's adventures? Read One Day, Benny the Bear Found a Basket of Apples. Available now. On Amazon KDP. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.